Tapestry shares have surged 10% in just the past week, and options traders are betting on another 10% rally from here. Jon and Pete Najarian have that unusual activity. Jon, you're up first.
Indeed, Brian. Take a look at Tapestry, the former, of course, Coach. It's up $1.38 or about 6.5% today, and they are buying the 25 calls out into the future. So what did we do? We saw this big surge. That was first 5,000 calls, then 10,000. Now we're approaching 1.6 million share equivalent. That's 16,000 of these calls bought October 25s, about $2.50 out of the money. I bought these, Brian. I'll probably be in these about a month and a half. Quick update for you. Last week on Monday, I think, I talked about Freeport, FCX. And in this one, Freeport, this has made a significant move to the upside. Stock is up 10%. The options we talked about, which were the September, I think, 9.5s, Pete, these went up from 18 cents when we cited it to about 42 cents today. Took off half of those as it doubled. And I think this one's got room to run, but it's always smart to pull some off the table, Brian.
Brian, I got one for you as well. Altice. Now, this is a name that we rarely see. It's really interesting because it's broadband company, video, and all the rest of it. Look at that run that it's made year to date. Absolutely spectacular run to the upside. And basically, the option traders are telling us it's not over yet. We think there's more upside. The September 30 calls being bought very, very aggressively, 6,000 of these. And when they purchase these, they're around 60 cents. So very inexpensive in terms of risk reward to the upside right here. Does it break up and through in the next couple of weeks? It's only got the next couple of weeks. I love when I see these things because under $1 risk reward, that tends to be something that's really, really exciting for us, and it works oftentimes. And this chart says it all. This stock looks like a stock that just wants to continue up to the upside for a little bit longer. I got an update from yesterday. Facebook yesterday, we talked about the September 190 calls. They were buying them when the stock was underneath 185. At the time, those options were trading for a little over $1, $1.10. Yeah. Today, those options actually got well over $3. I exited that position. I'm still long the stock out of these calls. So oftentimes we tell Scott, we say, hey, look, we're going to be in these for a couple of weeks. Only if it doesn't move faster, which it did today. And this move from 185 to 190 plus made me say, you know what? I'm out of those. I'll hold on to my stock, but those calls are gone.